Peel around the toast. Squeeze the bread with a small spoon. Put the Gouda cheese on the bread. The next layer of chicken ham. And this time he put a slice of Parmesal cheese. And put the last layer of Gouda cheese again. Wet your fingertips with water, and soak the bread so that the second layer of bread sticks easily. Place the second loaf and press well around, so that the bread sticks and the two layers do not open. Break 2 eggs in a bowl. Add salt and black pepper. Stir. Pour the breadcrumbs into a bowl. First, beat the test into the egg. And then inside the breadcrumbs. And fry in hot oil. Enjoy your meal. We hope you enjoy this tutorial. Please write your comments for us. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel to support us. Goodbye until the next tutorial.